Ni hao, my name is Sonja and I'll be teaching you family members in Chinese. But first, if you haven't already, go check out our other videos so you can further understand what we are talking about. First, we are doing mother. Mother in Chinese is mama. You can remember this character because it has the female radical in it. Little sister and older sister will have this radical in it too. Father is baba. You can remember this character because at the top it looks like a mustache. Older brother is gege. Older sister is jiejie. Younger brother is Didi. And younger sister is Meimei. You can remember that this character is Meimei because the second radical looks like it is wearing a skirt. Cat in Chinese is Mao. It almost sounds like meow. Dog in Chinese is go. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.